Yo, what's up guys, this is Mr. Craig. Guys, in today's video I want to be showing you how to get 50 gigabyte worth of data for free. Honestly, this is 100% free and it is working right now. MTN is offering this to all MTN users, but I know so many of us may not know about this massive offer, so that's why I'm bringing it to you. And the good part of it is that this particular data you are given, you can use it to browse any app, any website, anything you want to do with your smartphone. You can use it. So if you have like 3 MTN lines, that means you'll be able to get 150 gigabyte worth of data. Guys, this is massive. This is massive. But if you do not have MTN line, please make sure you go and buy it now and try now. Honestly, you will get your own 50 gigabyte. So guys, without wasting much of your time, let's dive in for the tutorial. Let's go. Alright guys, go to your Google Play Store. As you can see, I'm on it right now. Alright, type my MTN app, then click on the search icon. As you can see on my screen, I did not install it, so I want to install it right now. So let's go while it's installing. If you are watching up to this moment, it means you are getting value from this video. So guys, please do well to hit the like button and the share button. And if you have any issue in any of my video, if you have any issue on this video, please make sure you let me know in the comment section so that I can assist you, and I'll be there to assist you 100%. Alright guys, let's go. So if you are following me correctly, you will be on this page. So you allow notifications, then you will click on let's get started. Guys, are you with me? Let me know in the comment section. So guys, you see sign in with Apple, sign in with Google, sign in with Facebook. Now you click on continue with phone number because you want to get the 50 gigabyte data. So this is where you will have to input your phone number. So when you are done with that, MTN will send you a one-time PIN to verify it is you and it is your number, so that you'll be able to get the 50 gigabyte worth of data. So you have to input it here and click on the continue icon. So guys, this is just it. That's the only thing you will have to do, and this is just free. You are not paying anything to get this 50 gigabytes worth of data. But I have to be very honest with you guys, this data you are getting, this 50 gigabyte data you are getting, will only last for 24 hours. So if you are activating it by 5 a.m, you get my point, it will expire when it gets to 11:59 p.m. That what I'm trying to say here is, anytime you activate it, it will expire when it gets to 11:59. So even if you activate it by 10 p.m, it will still expire when it gets to 11:59. So I'll advise you to activate it maybe very early in the morning, like either 2 a.m, and so you can have a longer time to use the data. So I believe you understand what I'm trying to say here. So guys, if you see this video helpful and you would love to be getting videos like this, please do well to hit the subscribe button, like and share this video. Let me know in the comment section if you have any issue, and turn on the bell notification icon. So guys, the main essence of you subscribing and turning on the bell notification icon is so that whenever we drop another amazing video like this, you'll be the first to be notified, and then you take action immediately. Please take note, subscription to this channel is free. You are not paying any amount of money to subscribe. Is 100% free. So guys, see you in our next video.